Sekhmets children to Sekhmets Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmet SapphyreSun. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make a DIY camphor menthol herbal elderberry syrup that will help to relieve congestion and to boost your immune system. And so if you're interested in how to make this powerful elixir for the cold season, please don't forget to subscribe. And those that have, I want to thank you. Make sure you like this video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world, and hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. Okay, Sekhmet's children, we are going to start with 3 cups of spring water. It's best to use spring water, distilled water, anything but tap water. So this is 1 cup. Two. And the 3rd cup. So we are going to put the thyme, ginger, cinnamon, garlic, oregano, hibiscus, and the camphor and menthol. And the camphor is edible camphor and edible menthol. We're going to put them all in this water. And the star of the show is elderberry, and we're putting 1 cup of elderberry. And I'm going to put it on high. And once it starts to boil, then we will be simmering it for 45 minutes. Sekhmet's children, it depends on your preference on how much water you'll use. And so once we bring this to a boil, it's smelling good already, guys. Dang, already. Nature is just amazing. And if I had some orange peels, I would have put them in here. So you can be very, very creative with the herbs. Ginger reduces inflammation and soothes sore throat. Thyme can strengthen the immune system. Oregano helps reduce coughs and spasms. Cinnamon is antiviral, antibacterial, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory, which makes it perfect for the winter months. Cloves are great for sore throat, coughs, cold, and sinusitis. Hibiscus contains high levels of vitamin C, which provides a strong foundation in boosting your immune system. The cold-fighting compound in garlic is allicin, which is also antibacterial and antifungal. Camphor reduces inflammation and reduces congestion. Menthol soothes sore throat, relieves coughs, and supports the immune system. Okay, we've come to a boil, and so I'm going to stir it and turn it down to simmer for 45 minutes. Sekhmet's children is smelling so divine, and it will be done in 10 10 minutes and 44 seconds. And so we will be back. But I just wanted you guys to see this. It is so divine. You guys are gonna love it. Your children are going to love it. If you're gonna put honey, you cannot give this to your children under 1 year of age. I'm really not sure about other sweeteners. I don't use honey. I use agave. So I don't know if children under that age can use that either. I don't know, but I do know about honey. But yes, we will be back when it's completely done. Okay, Sekhmets children, it's 45 minutes. Ooh, we got our wonderful. All right, so I'm gonna mash as much of this as I can. Oh, it smells so delicious, guys. You just, and that's, oh, it's delicious. It smells delicious. Oh my goodness, I'm so pleased with how delicious this smells. Oh, it smells awesome. I've made elderberry syrup before, but not like this. Not with all these special herbs. This we are going to use to strain it in. And here's my strainer. I got 3 of these from Amazon. I will have everything that I used from and got from Amazon. I will list it in the description. All right, here we go. I am so proud of my DIY Camphor Menthol Herbal Elderberry syrup that relieves congestion and it boosts your immune system. Elderberry has been used for thousands of years as both medicine and food. Elderberry has been known to reduce symptoms of upper respiratory infections. It has been known to prevent and treat colds and flu because of its antiviral properties. All right, Sekhmets children, this is how much we got. Now we are going to put 1 cup of organic agave syrup. I don't use honey on a regular basis because I am a heart patient and sometimes we can have a tendency to be prone to diabetes. So I utilize agave for my sweetener. So we are going to put it in here. So this is 1 cup of agave. Okay, 1 cup of agave. And we have just a little bit over 1 cup of our Camphor Menthol Herbal Elderberry syrup. There we go. There we go. And now I'm going to shake this up. And then I'm going to taste it in front of you. Tell you how well it tastes. But get it all mixed up in there. And if you're going to use raw honey, don't cook it. Don't cook the raw honey. put it in there raw like I just did with this agave. This is like a tablespoon. Okay, that's the tablespoon. Oh my God. It's so delicious. You can taste a little bit of just a little bit of the garlic, but who cares if it's going to help you to build your immune system, if it's going to help you with congestion. And so a tablespoon for yourself, and for your child, a teaspoon. But make sure your child above a year old, I think, a teaspoon. And if you feel that you're sick, I would, if you're already getting sick, I would take this 3 times a day. I would take it in the morning when I get up. I would take it after lunch, and another tablespoon or teaspoon before you go to bed. And so, thank you, Sekhmets children. I love you.